Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact Verilux charger model and its voltage/amp capabilities, so you choose correct settings. Once done, put on safety glasses and gloves and make sure you're in a ventilated area to avoid gas buildup. Next, inspect the battery for physical damage, corrosion, and correct terminal labels. Clean terminals if needed. Now position the charger near the battery, plug it into a grounded outlet, and leave the unit off until connections are complete. You now attach the red clamp to the battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal or a clean chassis ground. Do this firmly to avoid sparks. Once connected, select the appropriate charging mode: trickle for maintenance, standard for regular use, or fast for quick top-ups, and set the correct voltage and amp rate according to the battery specifications. After choosing a mode, check the Verilux indicator lights and set any timer or automatic cutoff. Make sure everything reads normal before switching the charger on. You should monitor the charge cycle using the Verilux LED indicators or built-in meter, and once the battery reaches the recommended voltage, remove power and disconnect clamps in reverse order: black first, then red. If the charger fails to start, make sure the outlet has power, inspect the charger fuse and clamps, and verify the battery hasn't dropped below manufacturer minimum voltage. For a persistently slow charge, switch to a lower amp mode to desulfate gently, clean terminals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.